So I just came home to Mama working on the centerpieces. Baby shower is in 2 days. It's Friday night. Baby shower is on Sunday. Look how cute this one is. So these centerpieces we made completely last minute because when I came and my mom showed me what she got, I was like, that's not really the theme I want, right Mom? I came and turned your whole world upside down, huh?
Yeah, you changed my ideas.
I'm sorry, Mom. But you gotta admit this one's cute, huh? So I knew I wanted like a navy blue twinkle twinkle little star theme. So I found these, I don't even know what you would call these little cutouts and these sticks from Amazon. So we're just attaching them to this, what would you call it, foam? So this is how we're making them. We have this foam that we got from the craft store. So you're using this as the base, right Mom? One of these white ones? Mm-hmm. So we're putting,
on top.
you put the green, the smaller one on top.
Cover with the,
yeah, she's covering it with cotton. And then we have these cutouts from Amazon that we're sticking on, and these little gold stars too. Super cute. Yasmin and Mama sat here and made so many of these goodie bags. They're so cute. So they say twinkle twinkle little star. They just have some chocolates in it, and then Mel's mom made thank you cards. So we have them in navy blue envelopes with a gold thank you sticker on them. They look so cute. And then we have, and then for one of the games we're gonna be doing where people guess I guess the circumference of my belly. So we got some yarn for that. And for one of the prizes, I picked up a $25 Target gift card. So we have that in there. We're gonna have 3 prizes. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for the other 2 prizes, but we have that one so far for this game. And then we have Yas over here.
I'm attempting to melt chocolate for like the first time in my life.
Oh my God, don't burn them. Did you look up like a tutorial or something?
Well, I've seen like what you do is you like boil water. Yeah, and you put a pot on top. So you use steam to melt. So I'm planning on, oh my God, have you tried Ghirardelli's white chocolate? That's the best. Trust me, I'm like a chocolate connoisseur. But yeah, I'm gonna put some. Yeah.
You're dipping marshmallows in these, you said?
Yeah,
like the dessert table.
I'm gonna put blue dye in it to make it like as dark as possible, and I'm gonna put like little marshmallows. And I got little like sprinkles.
That's cute.
Marshmallow. So it's gonna be blue with either white or gold glitter.
Progress on Yasmin's little activity. We have them light blue and we're putting gold sprinkles on top.
It's perfect. And it's delicious, Mom. I told you this chocolate's better.
This one was the mess up one. We're not gonna use
You always have to troubleshoot. Nothing comes out perfect the first time. You know?
I don't know. That was our first attempt. This one's like portable. I'm about to head to the baby shower. I'm all ready, and my mom sent me some videos and they did such a great job on the decor, so I can't wait to see how everything looks. We don't really have a full-length mirror in this house, so this is the best I can do with trying to show you guys. Yeah, Yasmin's makeup is everywhere. But this dress I just bought this morning from Macy's.
So cute.
Thank you. I know, it's like the perfect little baby shower dress. And then my earrings I got from Macy's as well. And yeah, we're about to head over there. I feel like the lighting does not look good right here. We just like, this house is no longer the Instagram YouTube house, guys. What's up, guys? We just pulled up to the baby shower, both in our blue dresses. I even got blue nails. Yeah, as a baby, we go all out, and our toes are blue. But you're not showing your toes.
A little bit.
Yeah.
I'm wearing tights, so it like shows through.
But we just got here and I'm really excited to see how everything looks. So I wasn't here for the decoration because I've been on my deathbed the past 2 days. So Mel got sick before me and I should have stayed away from him knowing that he was sick, but he's just irresistible. I'm just kidding. But he got me sick and he even was telling me like, you're gonna get sick, you're gonna get sick. I'm like, nah, I'll be fine. Dude, I was like on my deathbed the past 2 days. Like I've had the chills. You guys can probably hear it in my voice, like congestion and all that stuff. But I took a lot of medicine, so hopefully I can get through the night, the day, I mean. And yeah, got to the restaurant and Mel has been working hard. Like I can tell he's been working hard because let me show them your shirt.
Oh yeah, I'm stained up. Going to work.
He was frying some fish over there.
Yep.
Only Mel would work in his Balenciaga sneakers.
Well, I thought Baha told me he needed help setting up the food, not prepping the food. When I got here, I'm like, I am in the wrong outfit for this. But
thank you for all your help, Mel. What does a girl gotta do to get a good mirror fit check around here? But maybe I think the lighting is a little bit better for the dress. It's just a struggle. Also, when I was at the mall today, I picked up some prizes for our little games. This one, we have a $25 Target gift card. This one is a Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume set. And then this one is a Bath & Body Works candle. So those are our prizes. Guess my belly size with the string, and so far everybody's guessing it way bigger. See? So Yasmin and Jalila lost.
I didn't realize I saw her before.
Look at Paula's. Y'all are offending me. Wait, look. I think Raquella might have gotten it. I think Raquella might have gotten it. Even Raquella's sweater is big.
Mine is the winner.
Yeah!
I actually guided her. That's very good.
We'll keep it up there. Okay. That's even closer.
No, you that. Take that.
Guys, not too long ago we got home from the baby shower and we went through all the gifts. Paula was here too, but she just left, so we're just all chilling. But Mel's about to head home.
Going to the crib. We got such a weird dynamic when we're at home.
Well,
going to my parents' house.
I know, we're literally like it's back when we first started dating and we like.
But most people don't visit home and live 10 minutes away from each other.
Yeah.
So like both of our parents' houses are 10 minutes away from each other. So it's not like when we come home, I'm staying with her like in her family's house, and then we go visit my family and we stay there for a while. Like at the end of the night, we both go our separate ways.
We do. We need our personal space.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, Mel, for setting up. I told him how I was so sick yesterday, so I didn't come to the setup. Yeah. But Mel and his family and my family, they all set up.
I was a full Jeddah Kebab employee today.
So thank you for all the hard work. It turned out really nice. I'm really happy.
It was very nice.
We're both so exhausted, guys. I'm still sick. I'm gonna take another Tylenol PM tonight.
Yep, I'm about to go take some PM cough medicine and
pass out. You didn't have to do the gun.
It was me. It was a push, not a. Okay, I'll play it back. My fingers was more like this.
Hey guys, so it's been a few more hours. It's midnight right now, and I would rather get punched in the face than wash my makeup off right now. That's always the worst when you're so tired at night. But you have to get up. Oh, like I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm still really sick. I definitely feel a lot better than I did, but you could just hear all that congestion like in my throat. I just took some Tylenol PM, but the one for like cold and like severe flu and like all that stuff. So I've been taking that for a day or two. So hopefully after a good night's rest, I will feel a lot better. And it just sucks that I got sick now because I'm honestly starting to actually feel pregnant now. I'm 30 weeks. Honestly, I haven't really felt pregnant throughout my whole pregnancy, and I have like a ton of energy, and it's like right when the 3rd trimester hit, it's like all the 3rd trimester symptoms like hit me. I'm fatigued again. I get so tired. My body aches a lot more, like my back and my hips, especially my hips. They're starting to hurt like a lot. I read that's because like the pelvis is like expanding and like getting ready for like birth and stuff. On a more positive note, I had a great time at the baby shower. Shout out to everybody who came, and thank you so much to my family and Mel's family for working so hard. Like I literally just like sat back and didn't do anything. Honestly, they handled everything, which was so nice because, you know, being sick and pregnant, like it was really nice to just like relax and let other people, you know, handle everything and set up everything, and everything turned out amazing. So I'm so happy with how everything turned out. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below for more videos. And again, this is the Ohio baby shower, so this one was mostly for friends, like, you know, hometown friends and family, because you guys know that Mel and I are originally from Ohio, so we wanted to do one out here with like all of our families and, you know, stuff like that. And then we're gonna have one in LA as well with all of our friends. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again for our next one.